Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you two crypto tax softwares. First one is Koinly and the second one is TaxBit. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products and then at the end we'll try to find out which one is better, even according to the price schedules. So let's start with the Koinly. Koinly is a crypto tax software offering reliable and simple services. It is available across 20 or more countries and helps users by calculating their cryptocurrency taxes and reducing them. The platform simplifies taxes in 3 easy steps. Users need to add their exchange accounts via CSV or API files and get their blockchain wallets connected through public addresses. They are offered a glimpse of the exact profit or loss earned by Koinly. Lastly, individuals can download detailed tax reports, Schedule D, Form 8949, Tax Act, TurboTax, International Tax Reports, curated by the software. Inbuilt portfolio tracking feature helps them gain a comprehensive view of their total holdings beside providing a detailed view of growth and ROI over time. Koinly also helps users detect absurd transactions using tools and functionalities like double entry ledger system, auto import verification, missing transaction, and duplicate handling mechanism. Other supported features include compatibility with 50 blockchains, 350 exchanges, 50 wallets, more than 17,000 cryptocurrencies and historical data or 6+ crypto prices. It includes small, medium and large enterprises and also freelancers. When we are going to check Koinly, we have to also check the price system, which is very favorable. You can get a free version where you can maintain it free until 10,000 transactions with unlimited wallets and exchange accounts. You also have portfolio tracking, capital gains, DeFi margin, trades futures, and avalanche trades. The main thing, what you're missing is Form 8949, Schedule D, International Tax Reports, Comprehensive Audit Report, Export to TurboTax, Tax Act. Those you don't have. You'll get them in this newbie bundle where you're up to 100 transactions, unlimited wallet obviously, but you'll get all the forms and reports that you actually need and all the other stuff. Then Holder, which is basically like the golden middle per tax year. It's not enough actually. It's not that much actually. It handles 1,000 transactions or up to 1,000 transactions and all the features that you can hold. Then unlimited, up to 3,000 transactions or 1,000 or 10,000 more transactions, which is 279 per tax year. It's a really nice price for all the features that Koinly provides. You can check the Koinly reports and also all the integrations that you can do through Koinly. Then exchanges, 74 wallets, blockchains obviously, and the services. Now let's check the TaxBit. TaxBit connects the consumers and enterprise currency tax experiences, whether you are a platform that needs to issue 1099s or user that needs to report their taxes. TaxBit's cryptocurrency tax software unifies the process. So they are very well, like I would say, toe-to-toe to Koinly. Let's check the pricing. You have $50 a year for up to 250 transactions, but you don't have the tax optimizer, loss harvesting, portfolio performance, DeFi beta, and CPA reviews. Then 175 a year up to 2,500 transactions, but you have all the features except CPA review, and Pro, which is $500 a year, 25,000 transactions, and also live chat, tax form for all years, and CPA reviews as well. Actually, the minimum I would go with the Plus and mainly the Pro option. It's a very nice way and also a very clear way, also intuitive way how you can basically check your taxes or crypto taxes, same as at Koinly. It's very easy way how to do it, and you won't need much time to actually find it how is it possible. Just check the taxes, calculate your taxes, you upload your wallet, and then go to tax reports. You just pick a year in what the wallet should drain the informations from, and that's about it. So if you have more options, guys, if you have more questions, guys, about these two products, please leave us comment underneath this video and we'll try to answer it. And as always, if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Goodbye.